I'd like to invite up our next PhD finalist, Rohit Sanatani.
Which of these two environments looks more beautiful? Well, it depends on who's looking, because beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, right? But have you ever wondered to what extent perceptions of beauty differ across people? Well, that's exactly what we wanted to find out, using urban environments as a test case. Spoiler alert, beauty is more subjective than we think. In this study, we analyzed hundreds and thousands of Google Street View images from New York, Boston, Mumbai, and Amsterdam. And we selected 7 images each based on the visual diversity of those cities. We then designed an online study where 100 participants across 20 countries were asked to arrange the images of each city on their own scale of beauty, based on what they found to be beautiful and what they didn't. We then plotted the participants such that those who had similar perceptions were plotted close to each other. And the results were interesting. This is a plot of all the responses from New York. Despite viewing the exact same images in the exact same order, no two participants had the same arrangement for beauty. We also didn't really find any major clusters of groups of participants who shared similar perceptions. This variance could actually also not really be explained through any demographic attribute, like age, sex, nationality, or ethnicity. What's more, many participants actually made entirely contrasting judgments. The participants on the top, for example, found dense downtown neighborhoods to be the least beautiful, and open green environments to be the most beautiful. The participant on the bottom made a completely contradictory assessment and flipped the arrangement. That's interesting, isn't it? Now, you may be wondering that maybe people just make random, inconsistent beauty judgments. Well, surprisingly, that was not the case. We were, of course, running attention checks, and we sneaked in the same set of images at different points in the study. And we found that despite there being so much of variance across individuals, there was a fair bit of consistency when a single individual was rating the same set twice. And that was interesting for us. So what does this study tell us? Well, we really need to be careful when designing what we think is a beautiful street. In the age of data-driven design optimization, maybe we need to bring subjectivity back into the heart of the discussion. But then again, this study empirically validated something that we intuitively knew all along, that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Thank you.